JC tune. Right next to our joint. Classic, baby. What you doing?
Don't know.
There's a power run, mate, in the old fucking V6. No, that's going to be awesome. So, James from JC Tuned. Brand new setup next to us at Classic Lacquer. Definitely check him out. He's a legend. So, yeah, he's offered to put Ryle's car up on the dyno just for a power run. He's taking his car off the road soon to do a bit of a build. So, we sort of want a before and after. So, yeah, let's see what the old 36-year-old Commodore will pull up. Not expecting big power. My guess is 87 kilowatt. Something like that. I don't know. He's hoping for more. He reckons he's got 200 horsepower, but that's just his right foot camming it. No, it doesn't go. We'll see.